Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay using Klarna financing. Klarna is a popular payment method that allows you to pay for your purchases in installments, giving you more flexibility and control over your finances. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of using Klarna financing. First, you need to make sure that the online store you are shopping at accepts Klarna as a payment method. You can usually find this information on the store's website or at the checkout page. Once you have confirmed that Klarna is an option, you can proceed to the checkout page and select Klarna as your payment method. Next, you will be redirected to Klarna's website to complete the payment process. You will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide your social security number or other identifying information to verify your identity. After you have provided the required information, Klarna will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. This check will not affect your credit score and is only used to verify your identity and assess your creditworthiness. If you are approved for financing, you will be presented with a payment plan that outlines the terms of your loan, including the interest rate, repayment period, and monthly payments. You can choose from different payment plans, such as paying in 4 installments or financing your purchase over a longer period of time. Once you have selected a payment plan, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the loan. This includes making timely payments and paying any interest or fees associated with the loan. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of the loan before agreeing to them. Make sure you understand the total cost of the loan, including any interest or fees, and the repayment period. You should also be aware of any late payment fees or penalties that may apply if you miss a payment. To avoid any issues with your payment plan, make sure to set up automatic payments and keep track of your payment due dates. You can also log in to your Klarna account to view your payment schedule and make payments online. In conclusion, using Klarna financing is a straightforward process that can give you more flexibility and control over your finances. By following these steps and carefully reviewing the terms and conditions of the loan, you can make informed decisions about your purchases and avoid any potential issues with your payment plan. Remember to always make timely payments and keep track of your payment due dates to avoid any late payment fees or penalties.